Hello, dear lovely viewers. Good day to you all. You're welcome to today's class. To my students who are preparing for the WAEC and as WAEC has commenced, I wish you all the best of luck in your exams. I wish you straight A's in all your papers. Okay, so today we have a question to solve, which is a past one from WAEC 2021, objective question 44. So this question is under Avogadro's rule. The question which says, how many molecules of oxygen would occupy a volume of 2.24 centimeter cube at STP, that is standard temperature and pressure? So given that the molar volume at STP is 22,400 centimeter cube, and Avogadro's number has been given as 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. So for us to begin solving this question, and as I say always, the first step is to bring out your parameters. The parameters guide you on how to solve the question and how to know the correct formula to use in tackling any question that has been given. So it says how many molecules of oxygen will occupy a volume. So we are looking for number of molecules of oxygen. That is the unknown from the question. Okay, so reading further, it says it occupy a volume. So the volume it occupies is 2.24 cm3 at standard temperature and pressure. So we have been given a molar volume. So let's call this the molar volume as 22,400 centimeter cube, and Avogadro's number has been given as 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. So for us to begin solving this question, all we need to do first is to find the mole of what we have here. So for us to get the mole is going to be equal to the volume all divided by the molar volume given from the question. So the volume is, we have here as 2.24 divided by the molar volume, which is 22,400. Okay, so at this point all we need to do is to punch the calculator by dividing 2.24 divided by 22,400, and this gives us a value of 1 times 10 to the power of minus 4 mole. Okay, so this is the value for the mole that we have. Now, for us to get the number of molecules of oxygen, so the number of molecules of oxygen from the question is going to be the mole times Avogadro's number. Okay, so from here, when we multiply, this will give us the number of molecules of oxygen. The mole, we have gotten it to be 1 times 10 to the power of minus 4. We multiply it by the Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. So from this junction, all we need to do is to multiply the two values we have on the board and then get the final correct answer. So multiplying these two values here gives us 6.02 times 10 to the power of 19 as our final answer. Okay, so the number of molecules of oxygen is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 19. So my dear lovely viewers, hope you've learned something new today. To my WAEC students, please kindly stick to my page as I'll be solving more past questions. God bless you all and see you in the next class. Bye for now.